Hey everyone, my name is Anerv Serene and I have been a miles and points traveler for the last 16 years. And during that time, one of my favorite airlines has been Singapore Airlines. It's really expensive to buy Singapore Airlines flights and they make it really hard to get points and use points on their premium cabins such as business class and first class. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can make that happen by using your Amex miles. So this involves a couple of different steps, so get ready and you can always replay this video if you have any questions. Step number one, make sure you have a Singapore Airlines account. This is required. You need to have this account information ready. Step two, once you have this information ready, go back to Amex, go under membership rewards and make sure that you connect and link your Singapore Airlines account with your Amex account. This is really, really important. Step three, go back to Singapore Airlines and look for the ideal flights that you're looking for. So example, you could do Newark to Singapore, Singapore to Hong Kong, Singapore to somewhere in India, for example. All of these are available directly on Singapore Airlines. Make sure when you're looking for these options that the option of waitlist doesn't show up. You need to just either show Saver or Advantage and you should be okay over there. Step number four, once you have those flights reviewed, go back to Amex and transfer the exact amount of points and the exact amount of miles back into Singapore Airlines. And Singapore Airlines usually has a few hours of delay where the points are being transferred between their partners. So once you get those points transferred in, I've seen it anywhere from 6 hours all the way up to 48 hours. Make sure you go back to Singapore Airlines and book the same flights that you're looking for or that you were looking at prior. Here's a tip. If you are lucky enough to snag a Singapore Airlines business class or first class flight, make sure you do book the cook and get some of their incredible onboard catering. To learn more, visit aserene.com.